Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today is another Rbsg episode. So we are now on season 3. This is going to be episode 2. And this month is Renee's month. Renee received the word harsh. I'm going to read you what Renee wrote for that word as to what she wants us to do with it. So the meaning of the word harsh: disagreeable, offensive, unpleasant, unwelcome, and odious. So let's do a look that someone would think is harsh. Disagreeable for you, maybe glitter on your eye is something someone would think doesn't fit your age, or too much blush, or too dark of lipstick. Whatever you would think, someone would look at you and say that doesn't suit you. Get out of your comfort zone with this one and do something that you would never do regularly. Hope that makes sense. What I'm going to do is a bold eye look with color. So a really smoky eye with a little bit of color around it. I was told that I am too old to wear such a bold smoky eye. That is more for younger age groups versus someone like me who's in their mid-40s. And I just kind of laughed. And, you know, obviously it didn't hurt my feelings, and I still do these types of looks, but I was told, you know, it's okay for your Instagram, it's okay for your YouTube, but you shouldn't be wearing that out in public where people can actually see you. And I'm like, well, what's the point of doing makeup if people don't see it? That's the whole point, is to be creative and to make yourself feel good and, you know, have a positive self-image. And then you have people telling you you're too old to wear it, which I find obnoxious. So anyways, I'm going to jump right in and start this look. And you let me know if this eye look is too old for someone in their mid-40s. I mean, if you agree with that, that's fine. It's not going to hurt my feelings. It's not going to stop me from being me. We're just going to jump in and see how this turns out. So has anyone been told that your makeup is too old, or the makeup look that you are wearing is too young for your age? Like, you know, leave that to the 20-year-olds and the 30-year-olds, but, you know, you can't wear it, or you shouldn't wear it, or it doesn't look good on you, but it looks good on everyone else, type of, you know, comments like that have been given to you. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever had to deal with something like that, because it does kind of take you back when someone makes that type of statement to you. And like I said, it doesn't hurt my feelings, because, you know, to each their own. I may not care about your opinion, but I mean, if you want to tell me it, that go ahead, you know, but, you know, if you're saying it to hurt my feelings, it's not going to hurt my feelings. What I put on first before I start blending this stuff in, I use my Neutrogena Shine Control Primer, and then I used my Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Foundation, and this is in Warm Beige. I swear by these products. Maybelline Eraser Concealer, and I don't know why I stopped using it, because I absolutely love it. So I have this in a concealer color, and then I have in a bronzing color to do some bronzing before I add powder. And I absolutely love it. What are you guys' favorite products? Like, what is your favorite primer, concealer, blush? Just tell me your favorite things. What are your favorite go-to makeup that you wear probably every single day? Does anyone have super oily skin? Because during the summer, my skin is as oily as it can be. I mean, I don't know. In the wintertime, it's completely dried out, and in the summertime, it's an oil fest. What kind, if you do have oily skin, what kind of primer do you guys use? I want to know your brands. Now I'm going to set this with my Juno setting powder, and this powder kind of blurs your skin as well as set the areas that you need set in place. I am going in with my Hoola bronzer. I'm just bronzing up the skin now. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blush, and this is the shade Always Rosy. It's a perfect, like, rosy shade. I love this blush. And now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal. This is the Color Stay Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. Okay, so now I'm going to start the eye look, and I'm going to start with just putting a light color all over my eyelid. I'm going to start with my Natasha Denona Glam palette, and I'm going to go into the color Transition. It's this colorway in the end. Alright, now we're going to go into my Natasha Denona My Dream palette. If you guys haven't seen this one yet, it is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. We're going to jump right in to this black color right here, and I'm just going to put it on my lower eyelid and just kind of pack that in. Okay, so now we're going to go in with a little bit of color, and we're going to take that color and just kind of go up and around where we laid that black. And I'm going to go the My Dream palette, Natasha Denona, and using this reddish berry color right here. And I have a small tiny little blending brush that I'm going to use to kind of blend with that black and this berry color. So now I'm going to take my little brush and I'm just going to start blending it out a little bit and kind of moving it out. So blending it and moving it out so that we don't have any harsh lines. So now I'm going to take that black that I used, or the brush that I used to pack that black on, and I'm going to bring the black along my lower lash line. And then we're just going to smoke that out a tad, not anything crazy, just a tad. Of course, I do always say that, and then it's like, whew. I'm going to try not to be too crazy with it. So we'll see how that works out. Now I'm going to add some false lashes, and I'm going to use these Ardell brand lashes. They're the Faux Mink, what number are they? 814. So the Faux Mink 814 lashes. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara, and this is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pearl Lip Gloss. I love this lip gloss because it's just nice and sheer and light, and it goes well with bold eye looks like this. So this is the final look and my interpretation of the word harsh, and what some people have told me I am too old to have such a bold eye look when I go out in public. And I honestly, I don't think it's that bad. I really don't. And I like everyone else who does makeup and plays with makeup. Makeup is supposed to make you feel a certain way, and I feel beautiful when I go out with bold eye looks. I like it. I get a lot of compliments, and then I get some people telling me that I am too old to have such a bold eye look out in public, but I don't care. I love it, and I'm going to keep doing it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.